The Mitsubishi G4M. The Mitsubishi G4M, named Betty by the Allies, was a twin-engine Japanese heavy bomber. Design and development. The G4M's predecessor, the Mitsubishi G3M, went into service in 1937 in China. Only 2 months later, the Japanese Navy issued specifications to Mitsubishi. The specifications were unprecedented at the time. It called for a twin-engined, land-based attack bomber with a top speed of 247 miles an hour at an altitude of 9,800 feet and a range of 2,934 miles unloaded and a range of 2,300 miles when carrying 1,800 pounds of torpedoes or bombs. Specifications. Equipped with two Mitsubishi Mk4A 1511 14-cylinder air-cooled radial piston engines, one 20mm Type 99 cannon in the tail turret, four .303 caliber Type 92 machine guns. In the other turrets, the Type 92 was a variant of the British Lewis light machine gun, one 1,892-pound Type 91 Kai-3 aerial torpedo, 1,764-pound bomb, or four 551-pound bombs, a top speed of 266 miles an hour, a cruise speed of 196 miles an hour, a range of 1,540 miles. The G4M was designed for long range and high speed at the time of its introduction. In order to meet the Navy's specifications, a Mitsubishi team led by Kiro Honjo did not incorporate self-sealing fuel tanks and armor plating to save weight and extended range. This considerably made both G4Ms and Zeros, which Mitsubishi used the same design features. They were nicknamed the Flying Zippos after the Zippo brand lighter. In the end, the Mitsubishi G4M was one of the longest-ranged medium-like bombers of World War II. It was considered more of a heavy bomber by the Japanese naval air forces. And like the Zero, the Betty had no armor and non-self-sealing fuel tanks, so if it was hit, it would seriously go down. Admiral Yamamoto was famously in a G4M when he was shot down over Bougainville Island by P-38 Lightnings. If you have any aircraft to recommend them down below.